Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. And so some of our videos don't get lost in the shuffle because we're sending quite a few videos out because of the challenge. I'm going to combine the Members Trade of the Week with our regular Trade of the Week. We had some very good trading this week. You know, there's always some tricky trading as well, but our Members Trade of the Week and our Trade of the Week made for an excellent end to the week for many of our members. Quite a bit of money was made in the trade room this week. The quarterly grain report has always been one of my favorite events. We made over $2,000 on it a couple of years back, which is an awesome amount of money. But it always has the possibility of moving very nicely, and it moved very nicely this week. So let me show you. It's a report that comes out at noon, and there's no news on any of the calendars. So you're basically waiting to get filled, and then you know that you're in the report. So on the left side here, I'm trading live real money on soybeans. In a couple of seconds, there's going to be a very large burst, and I'm going to get pulled into the market. Right about now, you'll see it's going to pop down to the downside. As the news comes out, it actually hit my first target. It didn't fill me. It's going to chop around a little bit, hit the first target, then hit the second target. And when the time is done, it turned a losing day into a profitable day. Over $700 on that trade. Quarterly grain reports. For us at 10-Minute Trades, that was a winning trade. Can't complain at all about quarterly grains. The quarterly grain report helped David F. make $1,678 for the week. An excellent week. Also, David K. made over $1,000 this week on two reports, almost 2,000 actually. Here's his trade room note for a profit of $518 on the quarterly grains. And one of our favorite traders, Roz from Kenya, let me show you her chart. She easily paid for her new membership to 10-Minute Trades for the next 6 months at least, with a $633 profit on quarterly grains. So you could see our trade of the week and our members trade of the week beautifully combined, and that's what I wanted to show you. Keep an eye on your email because we just finished our challenge, and it's a fantastic opportunity to get involved with the magnet trade. Our new strategy, people really like it. It's going to be exciting and a great new way to trade. It's a whole new strategy. And in this email, we'll explain all the possibilities of staying with us or joining with us if you're new for the upcoming times. Earnings season is just around the corner, and that's a great way that we trade. So keep an eye on this email, and you can join us with our mastery program. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Members Trade of the Week and Trade of the Week is quarterly grains. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in the trade room.